Hello everyone. Previously, we had discussed on the dictionaries, right? So today we'll be discussing on the data types, right? So we'll be discussing on the different data types and Python. So let's get into the definition part here. Data types, what it does, it defines the kind of value a variable holds. Data types define the kind of value a variable holds, whether it may be int, whether it may be float, whether it may be str, list, tuple, etc. Right? So again, let's go with the definition part again. Data types define the kind of value a variable holds, right? Whether it may be int, float, str, list, tuple, etc. Right? So let's get into the example part. So before getting into the example part, let me tell you one thing. Python is dynamically typed language. We know this one, right? Initially itself I have said Python make use of the basically it uses the interpreter as well as Python is dynamically typed. We know this one, meaning variable types are inferred at the runtime, right? So whenever I say Python is dynamically typed, it means that the variable types are inferred at the runtime. Just keep this in mind. So Python, JavaScript is dynamically typed as well. So Java is statically typed, right? So here Python is dynamically typed, meaning variable types are inferred at the runtime. So just keep this in mind. So let's move on with the next this one. Let's move on with the further things here. Let's see very simple example. Let's see the very simple example here. So a equals, let me give 10 here. Let me go with the this one. Individual characters. Let's consider individual character for the variable names here. So b equals 3.14. C we have went with int and float. Next let's go with a string. So I'll just give here Bharadwaj. So this is fine. D let me go with the list. We have just discussed the lists as well, right? So let me go with the list here, 1 comma 2 comma 3. So this is fine. E, let me assign this one to the tuple nothing but 1 comma 2. So this is fine. F, um, let's go with the dict. Our last topic was dictionary itself, so I'll go with the dict. We have to start with the this one, right? Flower bracket basically for the dictionary. So I'll go with x. mm, Let me go with the 1. Let me go with the 1. Nothing but so here this is int, this is float, this is string. So this one is list, and this one parenthesis, this is tuple, parenthesis tuple array. This one is nothing but the list, and this one is nothing but the dictionary. Flower brackets is nothing but the dictionary part. So let's make use of the type right here. So let's get the type here. So I'll just go with print type. Type, we have passed the variable a, right? So until f1 here 6, right? So let me print this one 5 more times, man. Let me print this one 5 more times. So this is fine. 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this has to be b, c, this one has to be d, and this one has to be e, and this one has to be f. This is fine. So here we have to get int. So if I hover over this one, what we are getting here, type, right? So class type object, the objects type here, this one, right? So here type of a, this one we have to get this one, int. So this one type of b, we have to get float, str, followed by for this one list, this one e parenthesis tuple, and flower bracket. This one is nothing but the dictionary, right? Dict, right? Let's check the same. Let's check the same here. So let me give Python here, followed by the name. So let me copy the file name. Let me paste it over here, .py. So here we are getting int. First one is int, correct, right? So this is int. The second one is float, correct. So third one is str, correct. Fourth one is list, correct. Fifth one is tuple, correct. And the last one is dict, actually here, dict, correct. So everything works correctly here. Everything works correctly. So we have got the correct output or the desired output here. So this is it for the data types part. So there are other data types as well. You can just try for the boolean and other stuff. So I have just mentioned the important ones that we make use of quite often, right? So just keep this in mind, man. Just keep this in mind, right? So let me summarize whatever we have learned till now. So Python supports multiple data types which are inferred during the runtime, right? So as Python is dynamically typed language, this one data types are inferred during the runtime, right? So again, as Python is dynamically typed language, data types are inferred during the runtime, and Python supports multiple data types as well which are inferred during the runtime. Just keep this in mind. So we are done with the data types part. Next, let's move on with the concept modules, right? So let's move on with the modules concept next. For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.